Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of financial planning and budgeting. Whether you're looking to save for a big purchase, build an emergency fund, or invest for the future, these 5 key tips will help you on your journey to financial success. Our first tip is all about setting clear financial goals. Without a destination in mind, it's easy to veer off track. That's why it's crucial to define your objectives. Whether it's saving for a dream vacation, buying a home, or planning for retirement, setting specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound goals, also known as SMART goals, will keep you focused and motivated. Next up, we have creating a realistic budget. Think of your budget as a roadmap for your finances. It helps you allocate your income towards essential expenses, savings, and investments. Start by listing all your sources of income and then categorize your expenses. This will give you a clear picture of where your money is going and where you can make adjustments to save more. Now, let's talk about the importance of prioritizing saving and investing. Building wealth isn't just about earning money, it's also about making your money work for you. Make it a habit to set aside a portion of your income for savings and investments each month. Whether it's a high-yield savings account, a retirement fund, or stocks and bonds, find the right mix of options that align with your financial goals and risk tolerance. Our fourth tip is to monitor and adjust your financial plan regularly. Life is unpredictable, and your financial situation may change over time. Set aside time each month to review your budget, track your progress towards your goals, and make any necessary adjustments. By staying proactive and adaptable, you'll be better equipped to weather any financial storms that come your way. Last but not least, practice discipline and patience. Building wealth is a marathon, not a sprint. Avoid the temptation of instant gratification and stay focused on your long-term goals. Remember, every small step you take today brings you closer to financial freedom tomorrow. And there you have it, 5 key tips for financial planning and budgeting to help you build wealth and secure your financial future. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more money-saving tips and financial advice. Until next time, take care and happy budgeting.